Right, it's been a hot minute, so I'm going to do a toolbox tour because I've changed loads, I've added loads, and I've just done all sorts of weird and wonderful stuff. So let's get you a cheeky toolbox tour. So this is current as of April 2026. April 2026. So you've got to have your essentials, haven't you? 15th of April 2026. You've got to have your essentials. Coffee, in case we get a stinky day as well. We've got the old Lynx, you know, got Snap-on soap and all. Yeah, I did buy that. And what? Yeah, that's a lot of money. So that's just because I was feeling a bit adventurous that day, you know. Anyway, my selection of torches, all useful. I found that one on the car and it held charge and it was beautiful, you know. So, you know, it's all good stuff, isn't it? And my little magnetic tray, DCL for the wind down there as well. Chargers, all that good stuff. That was a bad day. That was a bad day. My son made that. My daughter made that. Top of the toolbox, we've got topped on for days, by the way. So we've got the Phoenix remote, amazing diagnostic tool. Jump starter, V2200 plus, I will get it right. And then the R-Link, which is great as well. That's for your main dealer diagnostic stuff. Moving on into the aftermarket world. Really good bit of kit that, guys. If you want to know anything about any more of these products as well, please drop us a comment below and I'll be happy to talk you through them. So the moment you've all been waiting for is the actual toolbox. So there's the stuff on the top, and I've got all sorts of oil filter things. And Dan from VTS bought me that, so it's a Golf. I've got hats, I've got broken clutches. Yeah, you name it. Let's get into the drawer. Now this is my socket drawer. As you can see, I have everything organised to perfection because I don't want to lose out, right? And if I know there's a gap, and there shouldn't be a gap, it's missing, and I'll go find it. So there it is, as like a bird's eye. Love that drawer. Again, if you see anything, guys, that you want to know what it is or what I use it for, then please do not hesitate to chuck a comment down below. Gorgeous, right? Second drawer. All my screwdrivers. Trim tools, they're quite good. They can be a bit brittle, so be careful with them. I've had one replaced already. I think I used it twice and it bust. Torx drivers, sacrifice screwdriver. Some more longer torques, some even longer torques, you never know, to the bar. Pipe removal tools for them stubborn ones. They're really good pipe spoons as well. Little pry bars, little picks, torque wrenches, calibrated torque wrenches as well. Spanner drawer. So again, all these come in handy, guys, and they're the only places I can fit these big bars at the back and all. So I've got flexi at 1/2 inch and a normal US Pro breaker bar there. Ratchet spanners, short stumpy spanners, normal combi spanners, aviation spanners. The Ulcer tools, really thin spanners, they're good. That's for camber on older Volkswagens, Crow T-bar handles, T-bar handles. These flexi head ratchet aviation spanners, blue point them. There you go, blue point. Drill bits, random drill bits. I don't know why they're in there, but they are. There's my grip drawer, so I know what I've got where it is. Speed drawer, so odds and sods. Shit drawer, featuring a rib nut gun. Power tool drawer. Bottom drawer's got some hammers in, timing tools. That's a track arm tool as well. That's a really good bit of kit, that. Bottom drawer, that's got cases in, wind back tools, that kind of thing. A little bit of electrical stuff. My ratchet and extension drawer. Yeah, there you go, guys. So like I say, as of April 2026, and then we'll just show you the final. I do like my top drawer, so I'm happy with that. There will be more additions, obviously, as and when. Topped on tools. Got a discount code for you guys if you want to see it. Like I say, bad day and a bad day. But other than that, here's my toolbox tour of 2026. See you in the comments, guys. Love you, bye.